Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete from Pete's Tools. How are you all going today? Hey, going through the dumpsters the other day. Well, actually, to tell you the truth, didn't come out of a dumpster. One of my clients who ordered a dumpster says, "Hey Pete, I've been watching your videos online. Do you want to have a play with this old welder?" So I thought to myself, why not? It looks about as old as bloody I am, and it's as heavy as I am as well. Like, I'm overweight as well, you know, too many pies for smoko, but shit happens. Anyway guys, this is a little video today. That's what I'm playing with. See if we can get this old prehistoric welder to go. Wonder if it'll actually do anything. It looks as if it's a bit worse for wear, but we'll give it a crack, Nigel. Yeehaw! Anyway guys, same as usual, like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day at Pete's Tools if you want, or just drop a comment down below and we can have a bit of yarn. So you know me guys, never one to turn down a freebie, but I've never actually seen the welder like this before. It's only got an off on there, and it's got this sort of weird turny thing here. I thought you might pull it out and push it in, but it doesn't seem to. It seems to be on a sort of a screw thing. Then I notice on the top here, it's got from 50 to 140 amp. I'm going to show you there. I don't know if you can see there. See, we've got 50 amp and 140 amp down here, and from what I can gather, you turn that and you can see the dial going up and down. Seems like a hell of a long way to turn it to get it to do anything. Anyway, but we'll give it a crack and we'll see if we can actually make some sparks with the sucker, eh? Why not? Like I say, one of my clients gave it to me, so I thought, why not? As you can see guys, the old earth clamp here is a bit worse for wear. She's got holes burnt in it, and as far as the electrode holder goes, we're holding together with tape and not much else. But if it goes, I might actually spend a little bit of time and I might actually replace the earth clamp, and I might put a new handle on it as well. So anyway, without further ado, let's plug it in and see if it sparks up. Rightio, Pete, kick it on the guts. Oh, it's humming. That must mean that it's certainly not a modern version, transformer version by the sound of that. Of course it's a transformer version, it's as heavy as I don't know bloody what. But good sign, we're humming, so turn them off. Well, if we untangle this and see how we go. The leads seem very, very thin, guys, for some reason. I don't know if I'm just used to the thicker amperage stuff, but I think it says it's 140 amp or something. What does it say on the front? Yeah, 140. But I'm just not sure of the controls of it, eh? So, if we take this off here, we'll try and take it off anyway. Got quite a long lead on it, I think, but like I say, it's very small. It only feels like about a 80 or 100 amp lead. And there's our earth here. Once again, this is very, very light. If I was going to keep it, I think I might clean it up a little bit if it goes, and put some DINS plugs in here so we can just snap them in and out, because I don't really like these, but anyway. Like I said, it's for free, so why not? So guys, we'll put the old earth clamp on there, what's left of it, and here's my little flash looking torch. Get ourselves an electrode, if we can stick it in there through this tape somewhere, Pete. That doesn't look too flash. And we've sort of got it in there, guys. It's not very tight, but might be able to see if she actually is going to do anything. Kick her in the guts again, Pete. Ooh, she's buzzing, she's buzzing. According to this gauge on top here, guys, we're only on about 50 amp. So I presume you unscrew this. I think you screw it out. So I'm using 3.2mm rod, so I want a little bit of go juice. Alright, let's see if it actually does anything, guys. Not enough go juice. Give it some more, Pete. Give it some gumboot. I love playing with these old things in the bins, guys. It's really cool. And you never know, you might just strike it lucky and get something that actually works properly. This is going to give me a sore hand by the time I do that. I've only cranked it up to bloody 60 amps. Hear that big hum? Right, we're on 80 amp. Give it some more, Pete. Another beautiful day here in the South Pacific, guys. Hope you guys are doing alright where you are, your part of the world. About 100 amp now, guys. go. Put the eye protectors on. Hee-haw! Well, I'll tell you the truth, guys. I'm quite impressed with that. Turn this off before I short myself out and electrocute myself. Probably wouldn't be a good old look. Let's see if it actually welded, guys. Well, I'm no welder, but I reckon that's pretty damn good for a fucking old machine like that. Anyway, I might actually try and actually weld two things together. What do you reckon? Might be worthwhile after all to fix the old girl up. I can weld that on there or something like that. And it's covered in paint and all sorts of shit, so we'll see how we go with that. So guys, I reckon I might be able to weld that together with this old girl. Alright. Well, I'm quite impressed with that for an old friggin' welder. I mean, I'm not a welder, but by crikey. Right, let's knock some slag off there and see what it looks like. Notice my chicken. Oh my god, it's really good, isn't it? Alright guys, let's have another go at this, eh? Put the earth lead on, you idiot, might help. Well, I'm quite impressed with that, to tell you the truth. Jiminy cricket. So we've got painted dirty steel. I mean, the welder's not that flash, but it's quite good welding considering the welder that I'm using. I think it's pretty damn good. It would only take a matter of probably 10-20 minutes if I cleaned that up to get a really good weld on that. Anyway guys, I'm quite impressed with that. Maybe old is better, like me. Yeah! I'm quite impressed with that, guys. For a little dicky old welder like this, I'm quite impressed actually. So what I might do is I might do it on another video. I might actually, like I said to you before, put some DINS plugs in here, tart the old girl up a little bit, and I might actually use it in the workshop. Yeah, it looks alright to me. And the price is right. $0. I like it. Yeah! Anyway guys, same as usual, enough crap for the day. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day in the comments below. We can have a bit of a yarn, and we'll see you next time, eh? Bye.
Pete'sTools.com